Meet the orange-bellied parrot. They're a parrot around 23 centimetres or the same size as a budgie. They have bright grass-green plumage that fades to bright yellow near the tail and a very bright orange belly patch and a very bright blue band between the eyes. So they've got that beautiful grassy green and the orange-bellied mix. Here's a comparison image between the OBP and the more common blue-winged parrot, and you can see that difference in the green colour, and also that blue band isn't as bright on the blue-winged parrot. So orange-bellied parrots actually migrate from southwest Tasmania every year to the mainland of Australia during our winter, and they generally come to Victoria and South Australia visiting some of the beautiful Ramsar wetlands that we have here. So Ramsar is a place in Iran, and it's where people came together to decide that wetlands all over the world are really significant and important for our migratory birds, including the OBP, and we actually have some here. So Lake Conowari is part of our local Ramsar site, and so is Swan Bay and Mud Islands, Point Wilson and Limeburners Bay, Western Treatment Plant in Werribee, and also Point Cook and the Cheetham Wetlands. Swan Bay is our local one on the Bellarine. There's lots of beautiful stuff here. And we also have Lake Conowari that reaches all the way out into Bass Strait. So the southern sea heath plant and others, including shrubby glasswort and austral sea blight, are really important for the OBP. They come over here to eat, but they are critically endangered, so there's not many of them left in the wild, under 100 animals. That's due to things like lack of females, beak and feather disease that can be spread between birds, loss of non-breeding habitat, so the habitat on the mainland in Victoria, and also reduced food availability and introduced species and predation from things like foxes, as you can see here. So how can you help protect the OBP? You can do this by protecting and preserving salt marsh if you have it on your property or you have it nearby. Avoid walking around salt marsh during winter when the OBP is visiting our mainland. Keep all pets on leads, especially dogs, they can really scare birds, and educate others about how important and special OBPs are. To find out more, you can visit some of these organisations that do so much work to protect the OBP, including BirdLife Australia, the Bellarine Peninsula Orange-bellied Parrot Regional Group, and others. Thank you so much for watching.